this 4 years course. I really appreciate the Government of India, Ministry of Education, for introducing this beautiful course, which are going to produce so many teachers in the whole country. I was told that in the whole country, 64 institutions have already granted this permissions, and also one of them is NEHU. I'm really happy to our Bynta for taking all the initiative throughout your work hard on your initiative not be able to get this course here in this NEHU. So once again, I'd like to thank the respected Vice Chancellor. So in learning, there's no end of learning. I always mention this. Learning is perpetual. It doesn't mean that you have already learned that one course today, one subject today, the learning is ends. But it's always perpetual. There's no end of learning. You have to keep learning and always learn. You have to keep learning all the time. So we are today very happy with this inaugural functions of this new course here in NEHU for the 4 years integrated teacher education program, ITEP. All are the very fortunate students who are getting selected and admissions. And also I'm very happy to know that this selections and this examination is not only in the northeastern states, but it is from the whole country you have been selected. Congratulations for that.